Alam mo, before I win Binibining Pilipinas, sobrang dami ko ng sinalihan na local pageant. But I was never crowned as the title. I'm always a runner-up. It'd be first runner-up, fourth runner-up. It's always like that. I never got a crown. So all
Paano
this,
yun?
I know.
Hindi ba parang parang at least once kasi parang kailangan mo maramdaman na
Oo.
I'm worthy to be chosen.
And also that I deserve to be here. Na ito
Yeah.
talaga yung calling ko in life, di ba? There was a time na sobrang, when I joined Miss Teen Philippines, that's when I got heartbroken from pageantry.
Is that one of your biggest heartbreaks
Yes,
in
I think it
pageant?
is my biggest heartbreak talaga. Because that's where I question myself. I question why am I here? Why am I doing all this? Is this really where I'm meant to be? Kasi naman, coming from local pageants, I never won anything. And then, to slap that, kasi may top 12, and it didn't even get on the top 12. So, parang that's a
Yung
slap on
top
my
12 yung
face.
first cut.
Yes. And hindi ako nakapasok doon. So, I was very grateful for the experience. But after that, I break down talaga. Like, I can't stop crying to my handler. Nahagulgul lang ako because I was so insecure about the ladies I'm with because their backgrounds, they came from like prestigious families from different provinces. Their skin was flawless, poreless talaga. Sobrang tatalino. They're fluent in different languages and they're all Filipinas. So I questioned myself and I compared who I am to all those ladies. Kaya ako na heartbroken. Kasi that time, I realized na wala man lang ako sa kalingkingan nila. So why am I here?